Hey, I'm just showing you some of the action on Kailh, Kailh Speed Brown's switches on here. Ooh, missed out. It's kind of short. It's like shorter than a blue. And with these keycaps, I like it. These keycaps kind of hug your fingers. And then, hold on, make sure I'm not sending messages to Slack. And then these are blues, so for comparison. And then a blue. These are pretty soft too, but they're louder. The speed's kind of, you feel like they're pulling you down a little bit more. I like it. And then this is a boring red one, just for comparison. I think, yeah, those are reds. Video gamers like this.